Hey everyone, it's me Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Lovingly Knee. So I'm going to do a quick video how I fix a miss stitch. So I finished a project and I realized I missed a stitch right here. So what I normally do is because I do not want to leave a gap or a hole in this beanie, so what I normally do, I grab a needle and the same color yarn, and from inside of the beanie I'm going to stitch two of the stitch together. So this one right here is a double crochet stitch. So I just bring the needle from one of the stitch to the other stitch and I just pull them close to each other to close the gap in the middle. Okay, so but you do not want to pull it too tight, else it's going to be too obvious that it's a last minute fix. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's very easy. And cut the yarn and you're just going to secure by making double knot. Tie one and this is two. Okay, and as you can see, it's barely noticeable that you fixed the stitch. Okay, so this is how I fix my mistake, and do comment down below how do you fix your stitch. So right here I am just hiding the ends of the threads or the yarn. And yeah, comment down below how do you normally fix your stitch, or do you just leave it a big hole or big gap with your project. Okay, so I do hope you find these my tips helpful for you, and that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. Bye.